this, not open the flaps, it will look. This side is the only place where we're going to write something. Correlation coefficient measures the strength and the direction of the line. So strength being weak or strong and the direction being positive or negative. So a positive correlation, X increases, Y increases. So X and Y both increase means it will be a positive correlation. Now with these positives, you have a weak positive if R is 0.1, a moderate positive if R is 0.5, strong positive if R is 0.9, and a perfect linear positive if R is 1 exactly. So positive correlation tells you the type of line, and then you can have a weak positive, moderate positive, strong positive, or perfect linear positive. So a weak positive, we have a line that doesn't touch a lot of the dots. And as it gets, a little bit stronger, it starts to touch a couple more, and it goes through a couple more, and a couple more, and a couple more, and then a perfect linear, it goes through all of them. So make sure you draw these lines on there as well. Now a negative correlation, as X increases, Y decreases. So again, we can have a weak negative. Sorry, I don't know what's wrong with the spacing. Hopefully yours is nicer. I didn't move things around. Meaning I draw a line and I can hit 2 dots. A moderate negative. So these, if you've noticed, are the same words, but negative. A strong negative. And then a perfect linear negative when they line up in a perfect straight line. Okay. And then one last piece I need you to write. If R equals 0, it means there is no linear correlation. It doesn't happen very often, but it is something we need to note. So you can do it at the bottom, or I think last year we had some space on the side, so depending on where you have space, just make sure you write R equals no means there is no linear correlation. So you'll use this as well as the notes that we took to complete the assignment. Okay, so this is a quick video on how to put together the foldable. So if you're looking on the page that's this page, but this page, you are going to fold these pages in so that the front reads correlation coefficient, and then when you I have left an example with the sub, so please make sure you fold these correctly. So the